What is personal power? And what we're talking about here is in your ability, what you're developing is your ability to express your commitment in a moment, on the spot. Like I'll look you right in the eye and I'll tell you, my commitment is to you. My commitment is to help you develop your personal power. And I know exactly how to do that. I've been studying this stuff for 40 years. 40 years, and I know I've ironed it all out. I've worked with thousands of students all over the country. Over the last 22 years, I've been doing this full time, right? And I look you right in the eye and tell you that if you work my program, you will develop your personal power. And that what that means is that you will develop the ability to articulate your commitment to whatever you're engaged in. It doesn't matter if you want to become a world-class athlete, or if you want to become a great musician, or you want to become a great salesperson. You have to be able to look other people in the eye and tell them exactly what you're committed to. That's the game, and that's the source of personal power. Check us out on molloysales.com.